Feldhaus, Fenster und Fassaden is an internationally active company based in Emsdetten in northwest Germany and specializing in innovative and multifunctional glass and metal facades for buildings of all sizes. They're developed, manufactured and installed by our staff of 170. First come the requirements of the architects and developers. Our comprehensive knowledge of design, manufacture and installation enable us at Feldhaus to offer all the freedom necessary for creating modern facades. It was the American architect Louis Sullivan, one of the founders of the Chicago School, who originally formulated the innovative idea that form ever follows function. The principle he applied in his buildings and exterior elevations. His most famous work is the Carson Pirie Scott Building, a department store completed in 1899, 2 years before the Feldhaus Company was founded. Form and function are certainly inseparably linked in buildings, but today's facade technology is now so far advanced that there are virtually no limits to architects' wishes. Which is why we at Feldhaus see things a little differently. For us, function follows form. Our all-embracing know-how in all areas of facade systems means we can translate the complex syntax of architecture into hyper-modern facades of virtually all types of materials and construction techniques. A recent challenge was this building in Kiel. The glass and aluminium facade of the Webb campus is 60 meters long and 25 meters high. The sinusoidal ground plan and an angle of inclination of up to 10 degrees called for 400 different facade elements and 45 posts of varying inclinations. The time required from order placement to completion was just 13 months. This is Sweden's tallest office building. The transparent glass facade elements of the Kista Science Tower in the north of Stockholm offer the 2,500 people working here far-ranging views and a lot of light. A high level of heat insulation and integrated sun shielding are features of all 6 triangular buildings, which range from 6 to 32 stories in height. We completed the facades of the tower in just 15 months. In the Technology Center for Aerospace Engineering in Wildau, southeast of Berlin, we also had demanding architectural specifications to meet. A special feature of the 3-story steel and glass facade is the transition between the curved corner of the building and the outward-leaning west elevation. Feldhaus stands for expertise in planning, manufacturing, delivery and installation. In our state-of-the-art plant, we produce precision components made of glass, aluminium, stainless steel, copper, zinc and steel. Our leading-edge machinery delivers products of constantly high and reproducible quality. Feldhaus is renowned for its creative design and planning. We offer consultancy on commercial and design levels in manufacturing and assembly techniques, for feasibility studies, in process planning and on materials issues. Our customers make use of this specialized knowledge for exceptional complete solutions. This is the striking new Sparda Bank headquarters in Münster, with its radially curving facade on a boomerang ground plan with upper and lower edgings of shaped aluminium sheeting. A similar formal solution was arrived at for the extension of the Landesversicherungsanstalt in Münster, which has a ground plan of 2 staggered semicircles along a glazed central axis. The intelligent facade system of the 6-story building obviates the need for air conditioning. Completely shielded from the outside world, the internal space is an oasis of tranquility. The success of any project depends on the punctual delivery of all components and their careful assembly. In the case of modern facade elements in particular, transport logistics and well-trained and experienced staff play a decisive role. Feldhaus achieves both cost and quality advantages through the synchronized work patterns of corresponding teams. This way of working constantly produces excellent, innovative ideas. This is the impressive Berliner Bogen building in downtown Hamburg. It was awarded the Steel Architecture Prize in 2002 and won the title of the world's most beautiful office building in Cannes in 2003. As an interface between the water and the city, the building bridges the site of a former floodwater reservoir. 2 levels of facade make it possible to have natural ventilation without air conditioning. Feldhaus has a wealth of experience behind it, turning plans into reality. Our comprehensive knowledge gives architects and developers the freedom they need. Quality consciousness, creative design, and efficient manufacture are the critical criteria for facades from Feldhaus. For us, function follows form.